In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Facebook pages, making the integration swift and simple. This tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring that you have everything you need to seamlessly link these two platforms. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by heading over to the Zapier homepage. Zapier is a powerful tool that connects your favorite apps and automates workflows, saving you a ton of time and effort. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create button. This is your gateway to setting up a new workflow, or Zap, as they call it. Click on it to get started. After clicking Create, you'll want to navigate to Zaps. This section is where all the magic happens. As you click on Zaps, you'll be prompted to type a message in the Copilot message box here. Simply type Connect Google Drive and Facebook page. Doing this will provide a curated list of steps specifically designed to link these two services. Once you've typed in your query, you will see an option to add all steps to your Zap. Click on this and Zapier will automatically populate the necessary steps sheet for you. Working with Zapier removes a lot of the guesswork, so you can focus more on your content and less on the technical connections. Now, you need to choose a trigger event. A trigger event is essentially what initiates this automated workflow. For instance, this could be uploading a new file to Google Drive. Whatever action you want to begin this integration will be your trigger. Once you've picked your trigger, you'll be asked to log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready to connect both your Google Drive and Facebook accounts to Zapier without any interruptions. After logging in, it's time to configure the setup. This is where you can fine-tune your settings for both Google Drive and Facebook pages, ensuring that data is shared exactly the way you want it to. Make sure everything is working smoothly by running a test. This step is crucial because it allows you to verify that the connection is functioning as expected. If there are any issues, you'll have the opportunity to tweak the details before going live. After testing, go ahead and click on Facebook pages now. It's time to select the action event, which is simply the action you want to take place once the trigger is activated. As before, ensure you're logged into your account and click Configure to adjust settings as necessary. Don't forget to run another test to confirm that everything flows correctly from Google Drive to Facebook pages. Once you're satisfied, the final step is to click Publish. Clicking Publish means everything is set and your integration is now live. Following these straightforward steps, you've successfully connected Google Drive to Facebook pages. This integration should now help streamline your workflow, making content management a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy automating.